Imagine stepping onto your land, feeling the rich earth beneath your feet, knowing that tending to it is more than just a chore, it's a way of life. A well-kept lawn isn't just about looks, it's about balance, harmony, and respect for the land we walk on. Today, we bring you 5 of the best self-propelled lawnmowers that blend power, efficiency, and a connection to nature. Let's begin. The Makita XML6 PT1 is a guardian of the land, built to tend small lawns with precision and care. Its 36 volts LXT brushless motor delivers power without the burden of fuel or emissions. The 18-inch cutting width ensures a smooth, precise trim, keeping your yard in harmony with nature. With self-propelled functionality, this mower glides effortlessly, while variable speed control, 1.5 to 3 miles per hour, adapts to different terrains. Built with a commercial-grade steel deck and IPX4 weather resistance, it stands strong against time and elements. Running on 4 5.0 ampere-hour batteries with a 4-bay system, it offers extended runtime, letting you tend to your land uninterrupted. The 3,300 RPM brushless motor ensures efficient cutting, while the 2-in-1 mulching and bagging system nurtures the natural cycle of renewal. With a quiet mode, soft grip handle, and star protection computer controls, this mower prioritizes comfort and reliability. For those who cherish their land, the Makita XML6 PT1 is a worthy ally modern technology infused with the wisdom of nature. Backed by a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. The Toro 60 volts battery-powered mower thrives on challenging terrain, gliding effortlessly over hills and uneven landscapes. Rear-wheel drive and large wheels ensure stability, while the 22-inch steel deck carves a clean, precise path through dense grass. Powered by a brushless motor and a 60 volts battery, it offers 45 minutes of runtime, enough to cover vast stretches of land. The Smart Stow technology allows for compact storage, reducing its footprint by 70%. The recycler cutting system finely mulches grass into nutrient-rich clippings, feeding your lawn naturally. The Super Bagger simplifies cleanup, and Vortex technology enhances efficiency, reducing energy use while delivering sharp, even cuts. For those with hilly lands, the Toro 60 volts is a silent warrior, offering eco-friendly power, durability, and a 2-year mower, 3-year battery warranty to stand the test of time. The PowerSmart 170 CE gas mower is a rugged, dependable companion. Powered by a 170cc 4-stroke engine, it cuts through thick grass effortlessly while remaining fuel efficient. The 21-inch steel deck covers more ground in fewer passes, making it ideal for medium to large yards. Rear-wheel drive ensures effortless movement, while a 5-position height adjustment gives you control over your lawn's appearance. The 2-in-1 mulching and side discharge system offers flexibility in handling clippings, nourishing the soil with rich organic matter. Lightweight and maneuverable, it starts with a simple pull, ensuring a hassle-free mowing experience. For those seeking affordability without compromising on performance, the PowerSmart 170cc is a true workhorse, standing strong with a 2-year warranty. For those who seek raw power in an electric form, the Milwaukee M18F UEL 21-inch mower is unmatched. With 2 M18 batteries, it generates 10.0 Ft-elbs of torque, rivaling 200cc gas mowers, while eliminating the need for fuel or emissions. It adapts to conditions with dual-mode operation. Standard mode adjusts RPMs automatically, while high-lift mode maintains a steady 3,300 RPM for precise bagging and leaf lifting. The single-point height adjustment, 1/4 inches, makes customization effortless. Designed for longevity, its steel deck, sturdy wheels, and variable speed drive offer smooth maneuverability. With front, side, and battery-level LED lighting, mowing doesn't stop when the sun goes down. A true investment for professionals and homeowners alike, the Milwaukee M18F UEL is built for those who demand the best. backed by a 2-year mower, 3-year battery warranty. The EGO Power Plus LM2102SP is the balance between power and simplicity. Equipped with a 56V 7.5 ARC lithium battery, it delivers 60 minutes of runtime, making it a perfect choice for small to medium lawns. With a 21-inch deck and 6 cutting heights, it adapts to different grass types, ensuring precision in every pass. The variable speed self-propel system makes for effortless navigation, while the 3-in-1 functionality, mulching, bagging, side discharge, caters to all lawn care needs. Weather-resistant and durable, the LM2102SP offers push-button start, single-handed height adjustment, and bright LED headlights for ease of use. When the job is done, it folds compactly for storing. With a 5-year limited warranty, the EGO Power Plus LM2102SP stands as a leader in modern lawn care, bringing efficiency, power, and harmony to every yard. Each of these self-propelled mowers carries its own strengths, built for different lands, needs, and caretakers. Whether you seek the power of gas, the convenience of a battery, or the balance between nature and technology, there's a perfect mower for you. If you found this review helpful, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more reviews to help you care for your land. Check the links in the description to find the best deal on your ideal mower. Until next time, may your lawn stay green and your heart stay connected to the earth.